बच्चों, अपनी हिंदी की टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन कीजिए, पेज नंबर 6565। हमने क्या लिखा है? हमने अभी तक हिंदी में क्या पढ़ा था? स्वर और व्यंजन पढ़ा था। ओके, उन स्वर और व्यंजन से अब हम वर्ड्स बनाना सीखेंगे। सो ओपन टू पेज नंबर 6565। क्या दिया है? चित्र पहचानो, नाम का पहला अक्षर लिखो। आपको चित्र दिया है और लेटर भी दिए हैं। वो वर्ड बनाने के लिए चित्र के पहले अक्षर को लिखना है ताकि एक वर्ड बन सके। ओके, राइट द डेट द लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्नर 21/11/2020 एंड CW बीच में लिखना है। पहला चित्र कौन सा है? आम। क्या आता है? आ लिखना है। आम। म लिखा है उन्होंने, आपको सिर्फ आम लिखना है। उसके बाद दूसरा वाला कौन सा है? छोटा ऊ या बड़ी ऊ? छोटा ऊ या बड़ी ऊ? बड़ी ऊ। ऊन। न लिखा है, आपको सिर्फ पहला अक्षर लिख के वर्ड कंप्लीट करना है। फिर AD। फिर कान, सिर्फ का लिखना, क लिखना है। आ की मात्रा उन्होंने डाली है, आपको सिर्फ क लिखना है। फिर ये क्या है? फल, सिर्फ फ लिखना है, ल लिखा हुआ है। और ये क्या है? नाव। उन्होंने ऑलरेडी आ की मात्रा डाली हुई है, आपको सिर्फ न लिखना है। अभी जब हम मात्राएं सीखेंगे तब आपको ये पता चलेगा ये स्टैंडिंग लाइन क्या है, आ की मात्रा होती है। मैं नेक्स्ट वीक से आपको मात्राएं सिखाऊंगी, तब आपको ये पता चलेगा। आपको जब कान लिखना है तभी क, आ और न ऐसे नहीं लिखना है। हम यहाँ इसके जगह आ की जगह हम यूज करेंगे आ की मात्रा। You will understand when I will teach you matras. Okay? Then turn the page. Page number 6666। यहाँ पे भी आपको कुछ दिया है। 3 letters words बनाए, देखो 3 letters यूज करके वर्ड्स बनाए। चित्र पहचानो और अक्षर लिखो, पहला अक्षर। Write the date on page 66 also। CW। पहला चित्र कौन सा है? अनार। आपको सिर्फ अ लिखना है, उन्होंने ना और र लिखा है, आपको सिर्फ अ लिख के वर्ड कंप्लीट करना है। दूसरा इमली। देखो 3 अक्षर के वर्ड्स आपको पता चल रहे हैं। डफली, डफली। धपली, डपली। नेक्स्ट पतंग। आपको सिर्फ पहला अक्षर लिखना है, पतंग। नेक्स्ट तबला, तबला। एंड द लास्ट वन इज गमला, गमला। देखो यहाँ आपके टू लेटर वर्ड्स बन गए जैसे इंग्लिश में करते थे, और यहाँ क्या मिला आपको? 3 letter words। So page number 67 is your HW। पेज 67 HW, हिंदी के टेक्स्ट बुक वाला पेज 67। उसके बाद turn your page। पेज नंबर 68 and 69 also will be your HW। पेज नंबर 67, 68 and 69 will be your HW। Okay, then turn to page number 7070। लेफ्ट हैंड कॉर्नर पे डेट लिखो एंड राइट हैंड इन द मिडल ऑफ द पेज राइट CW। आज हम अक्षर पढ़ेंगे। देखो स्वर और व्यंजन मिलाकर उन्होंने हमें कुछ अक्षरे बताए, ये वर्ड्स बनाए हैं, वो आज हम पढ़ेंगे। ओके, न ल, नल, नल मतलब टैप। फल, फल, फ्रूट्स। तल, तल। पल, पल, पल मतलब टाइम। तल मतलब तले हुए चीजें, तलते हैं ना मम्मी फिंगर चिप्स, फिर भजिया तल के देती है ना, उसको बोलते हैं. रीड द वर्ड आफ्टर मी. न ल नल, फ ल फल, त ल तल, प ल पल, क ल कल, क ल कल. कल मतलब टुमारो और येस्टरडे दोनों का एक ही मीनिंग है. दो मीनिंग्स का एक ही वर्ड है. या तो कल किया था मैंने या कल करूंगी, ऐसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में. इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? येस्टरडे आई डिड और टुमारो आई विल डू. येस्टरडे एंड टुमारो जो दो अलग अलग इंग्लिश में वर्ड्स है, हिंदी में उसको एक ही वर्ड किया है कल. कल कल, ह ल हल, ज ल जल, च ल चल. Okay. So these words we'll write in our Hindi notebook. Open your Hindi notebook. Left hand corner write the date. And in the middle of your notebook, Hindi notebook, write CW. In the given 3 lines, हर एक वर्ड आपको 3 बार लिखना है. अच्छे से लिखो. न ल नल, न ल नल, न ल नल. Then you have फ ल फल. ऐसे आपको 3 बार लिखना है हर एक वर्ड. उसके बाद क्या है? त ल तल, वो भी 3 बार लिखना है. फिर उसके बाद क्या आया? प ल पल. प और ल बन गए पल. प ल पल, प ल पल. Then you have क ल कल. Excuse me. ह ल हल, ज ल जल, च ल चल. सो इन योर हिंदी नोटबुक ये सारे वर्ड्स आपको 3 बार लिखने हैं. आफ्टर दैट ओपन योर लिटरेसी टेक्स्ट बुक. We had finished the concept of this and that. Do you remember this and that? This is used for the objects which are near to you or which are reachable to you. But that is used for the objects which are far away from you. Okay? So same is the concept of these and those. Okay? So today I will teach you the new topic, these and those. Open to page number 9696 of your literacy textbook. This and that was used only for one object. This is a book, that is my table, that is my pen, this is my pencil, like that. These and those are used for many objects. You have learned the topic one and many, no? Cup. This is one cup. And what will be the many part? You have to only add S to this part to make it many. Cups. What it becomes? Cups. Then you add S to the given one object, that becomes many object. Like one ball. And when you have many ball, you cannot say I have many ball. You will use S to make it plural. Many balls. I won't say I have many ball. We will say many balls. So this and that was used for the concept only one object. It was used for the concept one object. This and that. These and those are used for the concept where you have many objects near you or far away from you. So write the date on the left hand corner and CW on page number 96 and 97. Okay. So here is a boy. He has some plates near him. These are plates. These is used for the object which is near and reachable to you. And those is the word which is used for the object which are far from you and which are not reachable to you. So what is our topic today? These or which I can reach out. And those is the object, those is the word used for the object which are far from you but they are many in number. Okay, many in number and near to you is called these. Many in number and far from you is called those. Okay, this is the concept you have to keep in mind. These are plates. उसके पास है, वो लड़के के पास है, so he is saying these are plates. Cups उससे दूर है. What is he using? Those are cups. Next, the girl is telling you something about using these and those. These are fruits. Those are vegetables. These are caps. Those are books. These are tables. Those are chairs. These are marbles. Those are balloons. These are chocolates. Those are cakes. These are cats. Those are dogs. These are bags and those are pencils. Here in the page number 96 and 97, each and every girl and boy has used the concept these to the objects which are near to them. ये उनको झुक के छू सकते हैं. They are able to touch them. So they have used everywhere these objects, these words to the objects which are near and able to touch them. And those उन्होंने क्या किया है? उस चीजों को यूज किया है, those words जो उनसे बहुत दूर है या थोड़ी इसके दूर है, थोड़े अंतर पर, but they are not able to touch them. Look here, in each and every picture the girl or the boy has used the concept very clearly, these and those. Now your activity for today will be, in your English notebook you have to tell your mama to keep some items, same items near to you which will be many in quantity and which will be far in quantity, and using these and those words you have to form 10 small sentences like you did in your notebook using this and that concept. The same 10 sentences for these you have to use and for those you have to use. Form 10 different sentences, small sentences for these and those in your English notebook, where you have to tell your mama to keep some objects near you and some objects far away from you. But the objects should be many in quantity. Single rakha so it will be this and that. If you have ball, you have to keep 2 or 3 balls near you and 2 or 3 bats far away from you. So these are balls, those are bats. This will be your activity for today using these and those in your English notebook. I want 10 small sentences to be formed. Okay. So turn to page number 98. Write CW in the middle of the page and the date. So color these and those. Now the girl is telling you something. These are balls or those are balls. Since the ball is near to the girl and is reachable to the girl, you will color these. And those are birds. Why? Because they are far away from the girl. Next, in the next picture, the boy is telling the cap is near to him or far? Near. So we will color these. And the rabbits are far. Those. In the next picture, these are locks. Those are keys. Okay. Turn the page to 99. Write CW. Here again you have to write only this, these and those. Page number 99. CW. Dash are candles. Are the candles near to the boy or far away from the boy? Near. So you will write THESE, these. And the diyas are far away from you. So THOSE, those are diyas. The crayons are near to the girl. So these are crayons. THESE, these. And the lemons are far away from her. So THOSE, those. The buns are near to the boy. THESE, these. And what are far from the boy? Butterflies. THOSE, those. And the last one is the balls are near to the girl. These. And the ducks are far away from the boys. A girl. So those. Those. And page number 100 and 101 will be your HW. Look at the picture and use the words these and those to form correct small sentences. The first one is given to them. These are hens, those are chicks. Hens are near to the girl, so she's used these. And chicks are far away, so she's used those. So what is our work today? In your literacy skill book, you have to learn CW page as 96 and 97, and HW will be 96, 97, 98, 99 are your CW work, and HW is 100 and 101. Okay, HW work of your literacy skill book is 100 and 101, and activity in your English notebook is form 10 small sentences using these and those, keeping the objects near you and far away from you. They should not be very big sentences. They should be small. Okay. After this, open your rhymes book. We had learnt yesterday 4 little sparrow. 4 little sparrow. We'll have a quick revision of it. 4 little sparrows high on a tree. The first one said, what did you see? The second one said, I see the street. The third one said, lots of seeds to eat. The fourth one said, tweet, tweet, tweet. After this, turn your page to the poem, School is Over. Now almost the school is going to get over. It was almost the year is going to end. So, the poem is School is Over. What you will do after school is over? These boys are telling you. School is over. Oh, what fun. Lessons have finished. Play has begun. Who'll run the fastest? You or I? Who'll laugh the loudest? Let us try. Okay. So now since the academic year is going to get over, you will be happy that the school is going to get over and you will have your summer vacations. So you will be planning something for your summer vacation. The poem is on that same thing. School is over. Oh, what fun. Lessons have finished. Play has begun. Who will run the fastest? You or I? Who will laugh the loudest? You. Let us try. Okay. Let us do. School is over. Oh, what fun. Lessons have finished. Play has begun. Who will run the fastest? You or I? Who will laugh the loudest? Let us try. Okay. So your today's work is writing and learning the rhymes. Okay. Till then, thank you.